Hello, I'm Dr. Skesa Singh Sadra, GP at Manor Park Medical Center in Slough. Today, I'd like to share with you some of my thoughts and advice regarding bowel cancer and bowel cancer screening. This is a diagram showing the large bowel. It's the last bit of the digestive system and is formed from what we call the colon and the last bit, which is the rectum. Bowel cancer is also called colorectal cancer. It affects the large bowel and is made up of the colon and the rectum. Most bowel cancers develop from what we call polyps, but not all polyps develop into cancer. Polyps can be removed to prevent them becoming cancerous. However, cancer cells may stay in the bowel if these polyps are not removed, and they may develop and spread to other parts of the body, like the liver and the lungs. These are pictures taken with a camera inside the bowel when they do a colonoscopy examination. This is a normal looking bowel, and all the other pictures show different types of polyps that can be found in the bowel. Some polyps can actually change into cancer, and this is an example. If you look at this right near the end, you get this sort of picture, and that's like a cancer polyp. Now, bowel cancer forms the fourth commonest cancer in the UK, but at the same time it is the second biggest killer from cancer. Nearly 43,000 people are diagnosed with bowel cancer every year in this country, and around 268,000 people are currently living with bowel cancer in this country. 94% of these are diagnosed in people over 50 years of age. 59%, that's nearly 60%, are diagnosed in people who are over 70 years of age. About 6%, that is 2,600 new cases, however, are diagnosed in people under the age of 50. Bowel cancer starts off small, then develops larger, and there are 4 recognized steps. The lightest early signs is stage 1, and it goes through stage 2 and 3 and then 4 as it progresses, gets larger, goes through the bowel wall, and then spreads to other parts of the body. There are 16,500 people dying from bowel cancer every year. That works out at 44 people dying of bowel cancer every day. That is why it is the second biggest cancer killer in the UK. However, bowel cancer is treatable and curable if it's picked up early. 90% of those that get picked up survive, can be cured. 90%. How? By picking it up early through the bowel screening program. This is where a letter comes to the house of everybody over 50 every 2 years. It contains a sample pot which you can get done at home in your own privacy and then post it in a self-addressed envelope. This allows you to be screened for bowel cancer. It can be done at home. You do not need to have a doctor's appointment, and you can send it away in an envelope in the post box. Remember, if there is a problem in the bowel and it is caught early, you can be cured. If you can't find your kit or you have lost it, then ring the following number: 0800-707-6060, and you will get another kit. These are pictures of what you will receive, how to do the test. This is the sample pot. Once you've done it, you put it in an envelope like this and post it. This is a picture of the kit, slightly larger. You will see there's a bottle, and if you take the top off, you get this plastic diagnostic thing, which is what you used to take the sample of the toilet. You do the toilet and you push the end of this stick in and out on the surface of the toilet sample so that these ridges get filled up. Don't overdo it so that bits stay on the top or hang off. You just need to have these ridges and grooves filled in with the toilet. Then you put it back into the container and press it to click it so it seals, and then you put it in, put your name and address on it, and you put it in this envelope. You seal the envelope and you post it. It's as easy as that. Out of every 100 tests that are done, 96% are normal, so you can be reassured. 2% need to be redone. They need to be repeated because something or another has not been done properly. And 2% are abnormal, but this can be for other reasons apart from cancer as well. For example, innocent polyps or having piles. However, if they are abnormal, then you will get a more detailed test called a colonoscopy. Remember, bowel cancer is treatable and curable if it's picked up early. 90% of those people who are picked up early survive, are cured. Do your bowel cancer screening at home now, today. There's no need for a doctor's appointment, and you can send the sample in an envelope through the post box. Remember, if there's a problem and it is caught early, you can be cured. If you have not got the bowel cancer screening kit or you've lost it and you're over 50 years of age, ring 0800 707 6060.